Now back to the hardware itself. The battery weighs about 122 pounds, so it's definitely a two-person lift, unless you use those straps we showed you earlier. The casing feels durable and compact. The terminals are clearly labeled, and there's a CAN and RS-485 port. So if you want to connect an external display or integrate with a smart inverter, in the next video, I'll show you how we wire this up. And with the Victron 48 volt 1200 watt inverter, I'll walk you through a small hiccup we had and solve it because the Victron doesn't support ring terminals, but that's no big deal.